हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, जो प्रोजेक्ट हमने डिज़ाइन किए उसका नाम है IoT बेस्ड होम ऑटोमेशन विथ प्रोटेक्शन एंड अलर्टिंग सिस्टम। ओके, तो इसमें क्या है, दिस इज़ द ये हार्ट ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट। ओके, दिस इज़ द सर्किट। इसमें मेनली कितना 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 टोटल 7 सेक्शन है इसमें, 7 सेक्शंस। ओके, वन इज़ द पावर सप्लाई। तो पावर सप्लाई के लिए हमने यूज़ किए ट्रांसफार्मर। ओके, ट्रांसफार्मर से क्या होगा, यहाँ से 230 वोल्ट आके यहाँ के 12 वोल्ट को कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, लेकिन हमको फाइनली 5 वोल्ट DC चाहिए, लेकिन इसमें क्या होगा 12 वोल्ट AC आएगा। देन ये पावर जाके दिस इज द ब्रिज रेक्टिफायर यूजिंग 4 डायोड्स। ओके, आफ्टर रेक्टिफिकेशन यू विल गेट ए पल्सेटिंग DC। ओके, मीन्स फ्लक्चुएटेड DC। और अब उसको स्टेडी करना है, आपको कांस्टेंट करना है। देन यू हैव टू पुट ए कैपेसिटर 1000 माइक्रोफैराड कैपेसिटर। ओके, आफ्टर दैट you will get a constant DC. Okay, but that DC is unregulated. Okay, but we need a regulated power supply having 5 volt. Okay, this is the 5 volt regulator. अगर ये सप्लाई को हमने थ्रू 705 देंगे तो 705 का आउटपुट में हमको कांस्टेंट 5 वोल्ट मिलेगा। ओके, तो उसी 5 वोल्ट को हमने ये जितने भी सेक्शंस हमने यूज किए हैं सब में दिए हैं। ओके, तो ये हो गया पावर सप्लाई सेक्शन। सेकेंड वन इज द दिस इज नोड MCU। ओके, दिस इज द मेन कंट्रोलर। ओके, तो दिस इज नीड्स ए वाईफाई कनेक्शन। ओके, as for the coding, what we have given in the SSID name and the Wi-Fi password, you have to set it on your mobile hotspot. Okay, after that when you give to the project to the power, okay, and that will be automatically connected to the mobile phone. Okay, then this is the node MCU. In automation system we are using 2 devices. This is the fan. Okay, we are using fan and अंदर में आपको बॉल लगाना है, बॉल लगा देंगे, लाइट एंड फैन। एंड दिस इज द दिस पार्ट इज द मोटर ड्राइवर फॉर फैन। दिस सेक्शन इज द सॉलिड स्टेट रिले फॉर द लाइट। ओके, एंड दिस इज वोल्टेज कंपैरेटर सेक्शन यूज्ड फॉर फायर डिटेक्शन एंड द ट्रेसपैसिंग। ओके, ट्रेसपैसिंग, एंड दिस इज द बजर ड्राइवर। ओके, these are the sections. Now we will see the work, how it is working. Okay, अभी प्रोजेक्ट को अभी टेस्ट करेंगे। ओके, तो first we see the okay first you have to set the SSID and password in mobile hotspot. Okay, after giving the power you will see there is a device connected device. Okay, in hotspot section means this node MCU model is connected. Okay, after giving the same password and same SSID in mobile phone. Okay, now we test the project. Okay, for the automation system you have to say in Google Assistant. Okay, what the account we are given, in same account you have to log in, you have to log in and in Google Assistant, and you have to say okay like room light on.
Okay, performing action.
Okay, performing action, you see. Okay, the light is on now. If you have to off it, room light off.
Okay, performing action.
Okay, now for the fan, okay, you have to say room fan on. You will see the fan will rotate now.
Okay, performing action.
Okay, the fan is rotating now, you can see.
Okay, performing action.
And the fan is off now. Okay, and for the security purpose we are using three sensors. Okay, one is the temperature sensor, second one is the trespassing sensor. If someone cross the wall and enter into the room, then this will detect and alert by buzzer. Okay, and then third one is the door breaking sensor. Okay, if you now, and this is the automation part. For the protection part, you have to open a site adafruit.com. okay, adafruit.com. already there is three parameters. One is for fire status, trespassing and door break. Okay, if someone trespassed, okay, trying to jump the wall, then that will detect and alert in buzzer, and also see in the also you can see the status on the through internet in Adafruit software, Adafruit website. Okay, the trespassing will be 1, means there is someone already trespassed. Okay, that time the light will on, you can see the thief. Okay, you can see the thief and you can see the status in trespassing. Now this is 100 means unsafe. Okay, this is the trespassing part. Now this will be 0 automatically. We are giving delay 10 seconds. After 10 seconds that will be automatically normal. Okay, yeah, you can refresh the page. You can reset the now the trespassing will be 0. Then next one is the fire sensor. You have to give fire here. Okay, just a minute. If you will put fire, okay, that will detect and okay, this is fire status 100 and alerting on buzzer also. Okay, then we have to each and every fault after fault detection we have to reset the system. Then third one is the door breaking. Okay, if someone open the door, okay, if someone break the door, okay, then also door break showing 100 means unsafe. Okay, and alerting in buzzer. Okay, This is the home automation with the protection system. If you want to purchase this project online, you can contact us. Okay, you can ask in comment section.